So here we can see that we have done some calculations in Python console, but in both calculator and also some softwares like Matlab, we have the ANS variable, which returns the answer of the last operation. So here we can see the last operation we have done is this, and this is the answer of the last operation. So what is the equivalent in Python? What is the equivalent of this ANS variable in Python? In order to do this, you can simply use underline in Python console. So if I press enter, you can see it returns the answer of the last operation. But you should pay attention to two important notes. The first one is this, that you cannot use the underline operator in the editor. For example, here, if I run the code, you can see it raises an error. So remember that you can use this underline operator as the ANS variable just in the Python console. And the second note is this, that you can use this underline operator to do further calculations. For example, suppose that I want to calculate 20 divided by the answer of the last calculation. So I mean the ANS variable. So in order to do so, I can use the underline, which basically means the ANS variable. So now once again, if I run the code, you can see the result is 4, because 20 divided by the answer of the last operation, which is this, is 4.
Now I really suggest you to watch this video which is on the screen now.